Hoover Company, North Canton, Ohio, 10 a.m. on Tuesday, May 10th. Press conference at 10 a.m. I'm thinking this has something to do with it right here. Hoover Company, North Canton, Ohio. Welcome here to the Hoover District, courtesy of Industrial Commerce Limited of Cleveland, Ohio, and Industrial Realty Group of Los Angeles. Come join us tomorrow. Check us out on the web. Look for the stories. It is the Hoover District live. Well, that's it. Hoover Electronics, Hoover Appliances, Hoover Vacuums, and now the Hoover District at 500 Jobs and Counting. 10 a.m. press conference on May 10th, Tuesday. See you soon.